Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do a limited edition Louis Vuitton thing, and it just arrived today, guys. I can't believe that I was able to snag this beautiful, beautiful purse. And let's open it together. A quick background on this bag. I asked my SA if she has this, and then she told me that this is only by appointment. So I guess it's just pre-ordered and by appointment. So I'm thinking, well, there's no hope for me to get this bag. But after a few days, she texted me and she said that she has this and if I'm still interested. And of course I am. We placed the order yesterday and she shipped it overnight, and it arrived this morning, and I'm just so happy when I saw this, as I'm not expecting it to arrive that soon. And this is it, guys. So this is from the ink watercolor collection, and this is the purse. So excited, guys. So any guesses? This is from the men's collection, and this is it, guys. A Keepal XS ink watercolor collection from Louis Vuitton, and this is such a beautiful, beautiful, cute bag. Look at this, guys, so pretty, and it is in cowhide leather, and it has a monogram Louis Vuitton pattern, which looks like it was printed in watercolor. That's why the name was called watercolor. It is just a beautiful, beautiful piece of art. And you can see that there's a different shades of blue. There's navy, and then baby blue, and then like a bluish color in between these two colors that you can see. And under it, there's like an LV monogram pattern here. And at the side, it looks like this. It is just so pretty, guys. And the leather smells so good. And it is in beautiful silver hardware, which has Louis Vuitton here. And the hardware is so, so substantial. I don't know if this zipper is thicker than the usual Louis Vuitton zippers that we have in our bags. Let me get this Petit Massouple and we're gonna compare the zippers. So here I got the gold zipper hardware here in my Petit Massouple, and this one is in the Keepal XS, and this is way, way thicker, guys. So this hardware is very, very thick. It's like it's really made for men, so it can stand the harsh use of men, as they made it really thick. And it has a big zipper in here on top, and here also the hardware is very, very substantial. And let's see what's inside. So inside it has this barcode. If you're interested, this is what it looks like. This is so, so limited, guys, that I can't even believe that I was able to snag one. And I guess I just got so lucky. By the way, my SA also gave me this samples, and I'm so grateful for her generosity. And this is the receipt, guys. This is $2,350 US retail, and I paid a total of 2,573 and 25 USD. And I'm glad that this is in leather, and this is the strap. The strap is so pretty, guys, and the leather is so soft and supple, and yet you can feel that this is really a durable leather. It is like a pebbled leather up close in here. So cute and so pretty, guys. And here it has a detachable pad on the shoulders where you can put it like so. And the strap is in two. It's in two pieces. This can be removed, and then you can adjust it on your liking if you want it to be longer or shorter. And I put mine on the second hole, and this can be really longer if you want to. And look at the hardware on the straps. It's very substantial. You're gonna attach it to the bag. It looks like this. So pretty, guys. It is so pretty, way prettier in person, and I'm so glad that I was able to get this. And I am so grateful with my SA for being able to get this for me on a short notice. Among the all Keepal XS, this is the one that I really like. Navy blue color. I've been searching for a perfect navy blue color bag. Blue is my favorite color, and in the past I haven't really found one, and I'm glad that I was able to find it in this Keepal XS, which is really pretty. Very beautiful piece of art. And the short handle is very short, like it's really hard to put your hands in, but it comes in handy if you're gonna hold this like a quick grab and go from your car, or like holding it in the middle of your shopping if you get tired on wearing it crossbody. And let's measure this quick, guys, to have an idea of this purse, and let's also do a mud shot at the end of this video. So the bag is 5 inches tall, and then the length is 8.5 for the length, and the width is 3.5. So it has a decent size. It may look small, but it looks like it can really fit a lot. So this is my Speedy Nano, and you can see here that it is a little longer than the Speedy Nano. And the width of the Speedy Nano, let me see, it has the same width. However, with the monogram print here, this looks like it's wider, but it has the same width. So this is 2 inches longer than the Speedy Nano, so you can really put more on this purse. And I think the handle in the Speedy Nano is a little bit bigger, as I was able to put my hand in easily than in here. So that's the difference between the two, guys. It is made in leather, but it's not really heavy when you hold it, but you can feel the thickness of the leather when you feel it, like it is thick but lightweight. So let's try to put what inside, guys, so you'll be able to know what fits. So let's gonna try to put really a lot of stuff in. So this is my mini pochette, a compact, and then we'll put some hand sanitizer in, and we're also gonna put some lipsticks, lotion. Let's put this in here. So this is thick, and then I have this mini O case, which I'm gonna put some mints inside, and some candies and mints. And let's put it inside. And then I also have this Chanel card holder. Put it in here. And let's try to put this lotion, because this is very thick here in the hole. There's still space in here. And I think that's it. Let's try to put more lipsticks. So I'll try to put 2 more lipsticks in. And this is the case of my iPhone 10, which can really fit in here easily if I will, but I already put a lot of stuff in that I will not be able to put more stuff inside. So this is it, guys. So did you see how many SLGs I put in here? So I put this Chanel card holder, this mini O case, this mini pochette, and I also put this lotion and 2 lipsticks. So here, guys, we really put a lot of stuff inside, and yet it all fits easily inside. The zipper pull is so smooth, guys, very smooth. Like you can really like slide it so easily. This is such a pretty bag. Like I cannot just express my love for this bag, as it is just so cute and so pretty, and I have a hard time believing that I was able to snag one, as this is so limited, as I've said. And I even lost hope. Like I'm not even thinking about this purse, because I know that this is really hard to get. And when I received a text from my SA that she has this, like I was in disbelief. Like what? How can you find such purse when this is on a waiting list? I only told her a few days ago, but I guess it's meant to be for me to have this, and I will enjoy this guys. And even if this is from the men's collection, this is really worth having, as it really looks good on women's as well. So let me know what you think of this, guys, and what you think of the watercolor ink collection. I really love it. I also like to try the slides that came in this, and also there's some wallets that available. It's out of stock for now, but I would want to purchase some of it so that it will be matching on this purse. Thank you guys for watching, and please stay tuned for the mud shots, and please take care everyone, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!